In today's video, we're diving deep into a practical and highly effective workflow for perfecting websites automatically generated by AutoBuilder. If you're in the knowledge management industry or any field that needs clean, professional websites fast, this is for you. AutoBuilder is a powerful AI tool that can build an entire site in minutes, but most users hit the same frustrating pain points: incomplete navigation menus, missing links like contact, inconsistent page structures, and hero images that don't match the theme. These small issues make the site look unprofessional and hard to navigate. Today, I'll show you exactly how to fix them in just a few minutes using Design Mode. Adding missing links, making navigation consistent across every page, replacing the hero image, and setting up smooth page jumps, so your AI-generated site goes from okay to ready to publish and impress clients. Let's start by looking at the current website structure. This project is already mostly complete, so our focus here is not building from scratch, but refining and fixing details. First, turn off preview mode so we can clearly see and edit the layout. This allows us to inspect each section and understand how the pages are structured. If we go through the pages one by one, you'll notice that most of them are already well organized, including the service page and the internal pages. At this stage, the key thing we need to check is consistency, especially in the top navigation. All pages should follow the same structure. Now, if we compare the home page with the other pages, we can see that something is missing here. This is what we're going to fix first. So today, we'll focus on two main tasks. First, adding the missing content section, and second, replacing the cover image to improve the visual result. To begin editing, switch to Design Mode. This is where all changes to layout and components are made. Select the navigation element, and then switch to Code or Structure View so you can quickly duplicate existing items. Here, we duplicate the existing menu item and then rename it to Contact so it matches the structure used on the other pages. After applying the changes, the navigation becomes consistent across all pages, which is very important for user experience. Next, check the lower section of the page. You may notice that a section like Service is missing here as well. We simply add that section back in so that the structure matches the rest of the site. This keeps everything aligned and predictable. Now let's move on to updating the cover image. Still in Design Mode, select the image element on the page. Go to the background settings, where you can either upload your own image or select one from the existing assets. Choose a suitable image that matches the content. Once applied, you'll immediately see the visual change on the page. After updating the image, we can also adjust the background style, such as adding a gradient or overlay if needed. However, it's important not to overuse visual effects. Keep the design clean and make sure everything fits the context of the page. Now let's look at positioning. There are two common options: fixed positioning and absolute positioning. If an element is fixed, it will stay visible and move with the page as you scroll. If it's absolute, it stays within its section and does not move with the page. Choose the option based on your design needs. Once these adjustments are done, don't forget to save your changes and preview the page again. Next, we need to make sure all pages are properly connected. This is where navigation links come in. For example, the Home button should link back to the home page, and the Service and About buttons should link to their respective pages. Once all links are correctly set, users will be able to navigate smoothly between pages. After that, switch to Preview Mode to test the overall experience, including page transitions and animations. If you notice any unnecessary elements, such as extra shapes or decorations, you can remove them directly to clean up the layout. It's normal to encounter small issues during editing, so make sure to save frequently and adjust as needed. At this point, the page structure is complete, and you now have a clean and functional layout ready to use. That's all for today's tutorial. With just a few simple edits in design mode, you can greatly improve any AI-generated website. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.